All right, so our third act of the night, let's hear it for some girl power. Our third act of the night is going to be Sounds Like Treble. The University... The University of Pittsburgh's only all-female a cappella group, and they intend to prove that they're not just another all-girls group. They are thrilled to be back for their third ICCA competition at CMU, and can't wait to give the audience, all of you, what they paid for tonight. One of the chief pillars of Sounds Like Treble is the group's ability to always have a good time together, and tonight you'll be able to see that in the flesh. So, give it up for Sounds Like Treble.
Go back.
I'll be on my way. So I'll be on my way. You giving me more than I can return. But there's so much more that you deserve. I've nothing to say, I've nothing to do, I've nothing to give. I'm a slave without you. No hand is everywhere. Yeah, and it feels like I am just too close to love you. There's nothing I can really say. Hey, yeah. How can I no more? I can't hide no more. Gotta reach up myself. And it feels like I am just too close to love you. So I'll be on my way. Of all the money that I've had, I spent it in good company, and all the harm that I've done, alas, it was to none but me. Give me love like her. 'Cause lately I've been waking up alone. Hanging splattered teardrops on my shirt. Told you I'd let you go. That I'll find my corner in that tonight. I'll call you after my blood turns into alcohol. No, I just wanna hold ya. Give a little time to me. Burn this out. We'll play hide and seek to turn this around. All I want is the taste that your lips allow. My mind, give me love. 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 Give me love like never before. 'Cause lately I've been craving you more. And it's been a while, but I still feel the same. Maybe I should let you go. You know I'll find my corner in that tonight. I'll call you after my blood is drowning in alcohol. No, I just wanna hold ya. Give a little time to me. Burn this out. We'll play hide and seek to be loved.